Thinkers during the Enlightenment further recognized that in human nature, the constant is ambition for power, and power is corrupting. So government is to be mistrusted, strictly limited, and self-correcting. It cannot be arbitrary. Government and human law get their legitimacy from the consent of the governed, and the limits of that consent may not be exceeded without leading to illegitimate government, that is, tyranny. All these streams of thought came together to forge an emphasis on individual freedom as a fundamental need of human nature, balanced against the corresponding need for stability and order, which was a typically English concern. It was and is the need for what the U.S. Supreme Court, tracking both Pericles and Cicero, called ordered liberty. One more factor should be stressed before we move on. As I mentioned, the United States Constitution is unique or nearly unique in all human history. The U.S. is the first country in the world that started from an idea and was created in concept before it existed in fact. But this points up a problem. The founders had no pattern for it. They knew that Republican forms of government had been tried many times and had always failed. As it would later be put in the Federalist Papers, echoing the emphasis on ordered liberty, attempts at democracy were always hindered by the constant vibration between tyranny and anarchy.